The Georgie Bean Show, 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 the Georgie Bean Show.
Hey everybody, this Georgie Beans, this Georgie Bean Show, this special episode, this 11th episode now. That's why it's special. I'm gonna smell some dress shoes now. This black dress shoe. This is a right shoe. I'm gonna smell it now. Ew. That don't smell too good. I'm going to smell the other one now. This is the left dress shoe. Georgie Beans don't like smell that one either. I'm going to smell these tennis shoes now. Smell the right one first. That's the way you gotta smell them. That don't smell too good. Here we go. Smell the left tennis shoe now. That's even worse. Now I'm gonna smell some sandals. This stinky sandal. Smell another sandal. Another stinky sandal. Okay, Georgie Bean smelled some shoes and sandals now. This has been Georgie Bean Show. Hope you enjoyed Georgie Bean Show. Bye, everybody.
The Georgie Bean Show, 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 the Georgie Bean Show.